what's going on? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse. I'm back with another video. How y'all doing? How you been? How your sister and them, cousin and brother and them doing? Y'all, what's going on? Okay, guys. I got two subscription boxes. I'm gonna say new to me. I got the PINCHME box, and yeah, PINCHME is actually a free box, and this box, y'all, is full of stuff. It's full of stuff. Okay, let's see. It says, welcome, so thrilled that you joined the PINCHME influence. Okay, that's for me, I guess, club, because of the bigger size box. And I guess it depends on the promotions and all that's going on, what you get. Anyway, it just says, we hope you enjoy your box. Don't forget to use Happy Pincher. I guess to tag a picture in Facebook. So, I mean, on Instagram. Let me get a cute picture, y'all. Hold on, wait. Let me get a cute picture. Ooh, is that cute? Okay, now for real. Okay, this is how PINCHME works. Let me explain. Because I have only taken the quizzes, so I can't explain from that route. I'm just going to read it. It says, go to www.pinchme.com and sign up. Once a month, we'll email you when free samples are available for you to claim. Provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more. Okay, how QuizMe works. Click on the QuizMe tab, complete surveys daily, and be guaranteed weekly exclusive box. Weekly? Okay. It says how Treat Me works. Click on the Treat Me tab, receive daily emails with special offers and savings PINCHME has sourced for you, and follow us. So it looks like this is just a free sample site. They just send them to you free. The only thing they want you to do is reviews, and I'm cool with that. And I got a little coupon for a free box. How to claim a snack sample box. Okay, I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna share it with y'all because it might just be one time use and then I can't even try it. I'm just saying. Alright, y'all. Let's get what's in this box. Two things I already see that look so good. But y'all, between working on my skin and getting some of this weight off of me, I'm just gonna look at these. They cookie squares, baked in France. Bad as I want to open one of these, I'm just not gonna do it. This is what they look like. Don't they look so good? Oh, they look good. But I ain't gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Cookie squares. Okay, milk chocolate with melted caramel. Put that way over yonder. Wait, get away from me. Okay, the next thing I see in here is the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It has argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Okay, this is for your hair. It's a hair oil. If I didn't have, my good hair on, I would, I would go ahead and spray it, but I won't put this on my hair, not my units. I want this in my hair. So we'll see. I looked this up too, y'all. It's by Eva Nye. That's what it looks like. Come on, focus on this, not me. Will you focus, please? There you go. That's what it looks like. And that sounds like it might be something good. Good for your hair. So I'm going to check that out and see. Y'all will know if I haul a big bottle that I really liked it. And then I see a ultra clean disinfecting wipe. Oh, Clorox got wipes with lemon twist. So I'm cool with this too now. I am super cool with this now. Because it looked like any and everything that you can use. Because then we have some hand solutions, hand and body wipes with aloe, vitamin E with a fresh clean scent. That's what it looks like. I can pop these right in my purse. That's where they're going to go, in my purse. I wonder, are they hypoallergenic? Convenient size, ultra safe, and resealable. Oh, they smell real good. See, I had to touch up my makeup, y'all, because I just got off work. So I got makeup on my hands. I'm not just using it to be wasting it. Y'all getting ready and hyped for this floor sale. I ain't studying it. I ain't. I'm just playing. I'm just lying. That's what I'm doing. Oh, these smell really good. Handy Solutions. Okay, the next thing I see in here, yes, I need this Lumify ophthalmologic. Okay, the word ain't coming out, y'all, but y'all know what it is. Ophthalmology, it ain't ophthalmology, ophthalmic solution. It's a redness reliever. I said that too many darn times. I know I did. I know I said it too many times, but apparently it works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. That's what it says. And I need that because my contacts have my eyes so red. And it's just a small sample size. It's Lumify from Bosch. And look, are my eyes red? Can we test it and see if it works in 1 minute? They're not real red today. Okay, plus it's going to run down my makeup. Y'all know I be doing too much. But yeah, I need this. I definitely need to try that. And then the next thing in here is, here's the Skinny 10-time challenge. Oh wow, by Love Bugs Probiotics. It's got 10 billion live cultures. Oh, that's gotta be better than eating yogurt. Okay. Alright, a probiotic. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, okay. They're pretty big. Can y'all see that? But it's 10 just to try. If I see it in Walmart or something and I want to pick it up, at least I tried them and I seen what they done for my gut. Because you know we need good health. We don't need that stuff just sitting up in there. You need to get that shit out. I mean, that stuff out. Lord forgive me. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Next thing in here is Advanced Blister Care. This is a cushion comfort confidence. Instant pain relief, fast healing, and stays in place. Oh yeah, from your shoes and heels, or the heel of your foot, side of your foot, wherever, rubbing against. For me, it's in leather shoes. All of the Michael Kors flats I have, they do that to me. They really do. That's why I haven't bought anymore. I've been leaning more toward those Spirey, whatever them little expensive shoes is. I only got 2 pair. But yeah, it's 2 of those little sample patches in there that you can put on your heels to heal the blisters, and it'll keep that shoe from rubbing up against your foot. Again, something else that you get to try before you buy if you need it. And then the next thing in here, what? Now I like Yardley. This is Yardley Moisturizing Bath Bar. I like this soap. I picked it up one time at Walmart for my son, but it wasn't activated charcoal. It was some other thing. But this one is activated charcoal, bentonite clay to help cleanse and purify skins. I think I'll make this a face soap because I like using facial soaps. Yeah, I really do. Maybe I'll make this a facial soap at night. But again, a free box, full size bar soap. That doesn't smell bad. It smells just like charcoal. It put me in the mind of that charcoal toothpaste or that charcoal powder toothpaste. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I ain't got it in here. And it's got a slight minty smell to it. So yeah, I'm happy to be trying it. Again, it's full size. And again, this box is free. All you gotta do is answer a few darn questions. Now this is shocked me. This is from Sephora, I know. Because this is Dr. Dennis Gross. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the clinical grade resurfacing peel. That's what this is. And I looked online. It was $90-something at Sephora. Because when I opened this box, I did, y'all. I cheated. I was happy. I wanted to see what was in this box. Cotton balls. And these are the sample size of the resurfacing liquid peel and the clinical grade. Oh, you get 2. Okay, I thought it was just 1. And I thought it was a set, you know. I didn't read enough information about this. I thought you had to use 1, but for AM and PM use up to 3 times a week. Apply step 1. Oh, it is step 1 and step 2. Oh, it says it's on the side, y'all. I didn't read. That's one thing you got to do. You got to take your time and read stuff. See that 2? And then it's a step 1 on the other side. Okay. It says 3 times a week. Apply step 1 to a cotton ball by making 2 3-second turns. Okay. Massage on the clean, dry skin. Wait 2 minutes. Repeat the process Repeat the process with step 2. Do the same thing. Do not rinse. Caution. Use only as directed and avoid contact. Now this I really want to try because it looked like it's a week's, maybe a week's worth in there. If you ain't got a face as big as mine. But then I'm going to want to continue it. But I wonder if I can tell. I'm going to try this. I'm wondering, I got some more stuff that I'm going to be trying. So I'm going to hold off until we do another skincare routine. You know what? We're going to do an update on that clay I've been using. And we'll do it in that. I'm going to go ahead and use this. But I think I want to use it now so I have time to pick it up in the Sephora haul if it's good, y'all. If it's good. But I know it's $98 for the big size. So to have this in this free box as a sample, I'm extremely happy. Okay, y'all. That's it for that box. Now, the last thing I want to talk to y'all about, this little package right here, y'all. I posted some pictures up on my Instagram stories. Let me read y'all what the card says. It says, and look at this. This is just so neat. Just a cute little handwritten card. It's neat. Anyway, it says, this is a subscription box, and it's called Pendant Charm Box. And y'all know I love subscriptions. But it says for the first month, new members will receive a free necklace that's valued at $25 with a pendant and a charm. Okay? And it's $9.25 sterling silver. That's how much sterling silver it is. And the box itself is $24 a month, if I didn't say that. Don't let me jump ahead of myself because you know I will. Okay, now the third month, so the first month, you get a free necklace and a pendant and a charm bracelet. The third month, members will receive their charm bracelets, a $95 value, no pendant or charm included in this shipment. This is only monthly members will not receive a pendant and a charm. This is the only month monthly members will not receive a pendant and a charm. And they do have a referral program. Members receive 1 point per person that sign up using their referral code, free pendant and a charm every 3 months, every 3 points earned. So every 3 people that you sign up, if you like it and they like it too, you'll get a pendant and a charm. And 8% of their profit is donated monthly to after-school meal programs for kids. Now that is a plus. That is a bonus because there's so many of us. Well, my kids are grown, but I remember when they was grown and they had to go to them 2-hour programs. You have to pack a lunch, or they just didn't have any lunch there. So anyway, I'm gonna put the link in the description after I get to showing y'all. But this box is $24 a month, and the little bag comes in a bag like this. And let me show y'all what's in here. Okay, let me get it poured out. All right, this is the bracelet, and I ordered mine way too small, y'all. Way too small. I think I ordered like a 17, and I probably should have ordered a 20. This is the pendant, and that it's gonna be a different pendant every month. So from the way it sounds, you'll get a charm and a necklace the first month, and then a charm your second month, and then a bracelet the next month, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, this is what the bracelet looks like. And make sure y'all measure your wrist. I measured mine with a tape measure, and I came up with 17, so I thought. And yeah, mine is it's too small. I can't get it to close. And if I did close it, y'all, it would be really tight and the charms would just be right there. But again, that's my fault. I ordered the wrong size. I need a 20. So I guess, you know, I'm kind of thick-wristed. But anyway, the first month you'll get a necklace. Didn't it say that? Members will receive a free necklace with a pendant. Okay, so here is the necklace and the pendant that I got. This is the necklace. Let me bring it in so y'all can see it. And it's got the 925 right there on it. Let me put my hand up here so y'all be able to see that. Hand all ashy and mess, Lord. There it is right there. Can y'all see that 925 on there? 925 sterling silver. It's on there. Can you pick that up, camera? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's on there. But there's the pendant. And you don't get to choose. It's just different every time. And they got a lot of really pretty pendants. Because I was looking at their Instagram and you can see all the pendants that they offer. So either you can just change it out on your necklace or you can put it on your bracelet. I wonder if it'll fit. No. This pendant is for your bracelet and then you get the charms. I'm tripping. Pendant is for the necklace. You get the charms for your bracelet. So every month you'll get a pendant and a charm. Members receive a necklace. Members will receive their charm bracelet. No pendant included on the third month. So I guess it rotates, a pendant or a charm, or do you get a pendant? Oh, you get a pendant. Members receive a beautiful pendant and a charm. You get a pendant and a charm every month for $24. And the necklace and the bracelet comes free inside of their box. So you're paying $24 for one pendant and one charm every month. That's $925 sterling silver. That's worth that. That is very worth that. So we'll get to see y'all next month what next month's box look like. But this is a lot cheaper than the last two places that I ordered from. I know it's cheaper than James Avery because I bought one from James Avery and it was $100 and something and I lost it. So I'm content with this, getting some sterling silver cleaner and cleaning it. And y'all, I'm rambling at this point. Y'all already know I talk too much. But yeah, I think you guys should check them out. Again, it's Pendant and Charm. And you can look on Instagram. I think it's Pendant and Charm on Instagram as well. All right, y'all. I'm done talking. I hope everybody having a wonderful, blessed day. And I got some foundation reviews to do, y'all. But I've been working my tail off. This 4-hour coming. Y'all know I'm working overtime. So anyway, I will see you guys next video. Stay blessed and bye, guys.